Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to add auto captions in CapCut using your Android device. To get started, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Next, tap the text option at the bottom of the screen, then select Auto Captions. Choose the language spoken in your video, and if available, enable options such as identifying different speakers or removing filler words. Tap Generate and wait while CapCut automatically creates captions based on the audio in your video. Once the captions are generated, review them carefully and edit any words or phrases that were transcribed incorrectly. You can also customize the captions by changing the font, size, color, style, and position to match your video's design. When you're happy with the results, tap Export to save your video with the captions. And that's it, you've successfully added auto captions in CapCut. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.